Welcome back. It is a beautiful day here on the Gold Coast and it is shoot day. So I'm just heading down to Tweed or Tugan Ways and meeting up with Kyle, and we're going to do a Land Rover Defender shoot with his car. And I thought I'd bring the camera along to do a bit of behind the scenes and make a little bit of a YouTube out of it. So yeah, we're going to head down to Lennox. That's how heavy the camera is, it's sitting off the seatbelt warning. We're going to head down to Lennox Heads for sunset and hopefully get some cool shots with the Defender. To Lennox, we're just grabbing the permit so we can go on the beach. Kyle's just paying for that. It's fucking hot, it's like 32, 33 degrees, no wind, unreal scenes. But we've arrived nice and early, so we've got about 3 hours till sunset, which will give us plenty of time to test. We don't really know, we don't have like a plan on what we're shooting, so we're just going to try and plan that now, see what works, what doesn't. So then come sunset, we're into a nice fluid state. We can get the shots we need.
That's with the cyclone, that was never there. That's been washed up.
It's like hard the whole way.
Yeah, bro, I've never seen it like this. But yeah, let's have a slice at some of these videos, and then we can come up with like a little plan of what we want to shoot.
Yeah. Are you going to do like vertical?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, I don't know. I mean,
I'm digging the 4x. Like,
yeah, it looks good. It
looks good
with the black border.
Yeah. Just testing some footage on the back here. So, stop it.
Yep. I wonder if it's going to be better on the front top. No, it wouldn't be. Or wait, what about if we did this? What if we put the plant here so it's facing backwards? So we've got it here and we're shooting back towards the car. But would you plan on? Yeah.
That'll be cool. Because in the tire, let's try that. All right. Yeah. All right. So this is where it was, and then we're going to put it up the front, just so we're looking back onto the car. So I need to get the head mount. We mount this here. Okay, I'm going to get the head mount because it'll be much more better than just putting the camera down. So pop this here, enjoy the view for a quick minute. What are your thoughts?
I think that's pretty good. I don't want to
No, you
loosen it there. Maybe just point it down a touch.
Yep, probably this one's easier.
Yeah,
like this way or this?
No, down. Maybe we go a bit on the pisser, I think. Like from there.
A little bit, I need to go like that way, tiny bit.
Maybe just center it a bit more, and then driving that way, isn't it? Because the sun. If we drive it that way, it's going to look better. Is it not? Yeah, because of the sun. Because if we drive that way, we need the shadow.
Yeah. No, it'd be better driving this way.
Okay, yeah, so I'll reverse it. No, yeah, let's just try it. Because we'll do it all again when the light's better. This is just a bit of a...
Yeah, bit of a concept.
Oh, fuck yeah.
That looks cool.
Bro, that's sick. Do you think we need to point it... I reckon we can go... Yeah, I don't know why I'm indicating. We can probably show it. Just look. So this is live right now?
Yeah, live. Yeah, look at that.
Yes, mate. I reckon what we can do, let's bring it back. I reckon can we go a little bit further back with it? So then, because we just
cutting the tire off a little bit,
Yeah.
Do you want to watch it and then I'll move it?
Yeah. That's actually a great idea. Yeah. Go back towards you a tiny bit. A bit more. Okay, then point it that way though. And then, yep, there. Is that alright? Yeah, sweet. Yep. Yeah. Or the other way look cool. Oh, no, that's sick.
That looks cool.
That's so sick. Oh. Alright.
That looks sick.
Yeah, right.
Just like that.
Yeah, the motion blur is good.
Yeah.
Fuck, they're good little cameras, eh?
So good.
Yeah, I'll pull over here.
Okay, so
Why am mate, I just keep doing it, eh?
There's some soft sand.
Yeah, we do. That's what we could do a little bit of that. It's that's heaps softer there. The light's a bit lower. It would just be like a side-on shot like that, and it'd be like me walking up into my car.
Oh, and then it can cut to that.
Cut to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it'd just be like POV boy car.
Yeah.
But yeah, because it's with the light straight on us now, so it's not that good.
Yeah.
But
Oh yeah. Once, because it's the light's so harsh.
Yeah.
I think once it gets a bit softer. Yeah. Does it look alright on the phone? Oh yeah.
So once we get better light.
Yeah. Should we try the front one with the Defender logo?
Oh yeah. Yep. Let's try that. So driving this way as well with the sun.
Sun, yeah. I'll just check the exposure.
Yeah.
Perfect. Bang on.
Oh, the tyre shot. I reckon that shot's better than the back one.
Yeah, same.
So just do that.
Because you can showcase the car more, I reckon.
But then yeah, so the first shot, I'm gonna make it POV boy car. So the first shot
that looks sick.
Yeah, right. And pretty good quality.
Yeah. For like you said, an action
Right,
cam.
that's sick. That looks like if someone goes to me, oh, that was filmed on like a Canon R6, I wouldn't.
You wouldn't really know, eh? I reckon yeah, that looks quite cool.
That's sick. That would we'll get a shot of that in gold now. As well.
With the sun like piercing through over here.
But like shoot that, try and shoot it on like a high aperture as well, so we get that sun star.
Yeah.
So if you're like, what aperture are you shooting at now?
That was 2.8.
Yeah. So have it at like
It's 11 or something.
something like you know there's like a sun star.
The sunburst, yeah. Don't trust me.
Don't trust this bloke.
As first, just where normal first is?
Mate, do you even know how to drive a manual?
Sometimes it's reversed.
No, first, yeah. So
oh no, that was?
Yeah, that's first, yeah.
Yeah.
You're good to go, bro. Or handbrakes on, sorry.
Got off to a good start, am I?
No, you're good. Alright, here we go.
Where do you want me?
That's it, like that. Yeah, that's good. Alright, pull over now. I'm gonna get the drone up.
That should look cool though.
Fucking no.
Well, if you made it through this far, thank you so much for watching. That was honestly such a fun shoot to be a part of. Just a couple of lads out there doing it. No expectations, no shot list. Really brought back the creative spark. Sometimes I think you can lose it in the grind of client work, but that's really fueled the passion to keep going and create some new, fun, exciting things. But I've put together a little bit of a montage of a few of the clips we got into some sort of cinematic piece. So let's roll that and we'll see you in the next video.
Let me see your hand go. Whoa, whoa. Lift the brim of that hat, I wanna look in your eyes.